Hello.
Hi Abhishek sir.
हाँ जी बोलिए.
Sir, we have launched a new credit card with zero annual charges.
सही में?
You will get cashback, discounts and so many offers sir. And that too absolutely free.
No annual fees. Are you sure? Confirmed. अरे यार I'll get it. Sir, just 1 second. हाँ यार करवा दो. Just get it done. Yeah. Yes sir.
What was that?
I was getting a credit card.
You've been wanting a credit card
Finally,
for
yes.
a while, right?
Yes. No annual fees.
And any other charge?
No, I think he mentioned no charges.
No, there will be some charges, Abhishek.
अरे he said zero.
He said zero on joining fees. He said zero on
annual charge.
Okay.
It's just card with a good
Okay,
limit.
we gotta go, but can you do something? Can you ask that guy, whoever called you, कि written में एक बार दे दे. Written में. Because what happens is they can say that there are no charges and eventually one day you'll check your card and वहाँ पे there'll be a fees and you'll say यार ये क्यों charge किया? The guy told me. Now what's the proof the guy told you it's zero? What's the proof?
Phone call?
No, where? So get it in writing and then you actually know there are no fees. So usually this happens. Someone calls you and says there are zero charges, कोई charges नहीं, and eventually you find a fee and you don't know what to do with it.
So I'll call him, no?
So you won't be able to call that guy. What you need to do is you need to tell them that, hey, this is an email I got before I opened an account with you for this credit card. These charges will not be charged. And they were, so please reverse the charges. In most cases, they should reverse the charges.
It will help me because I have got that written already.
Correct.
In written. Okay.
In case they don't reply and say, no, ab to charge ho gaya, then what will you do?
Police complaint.
No. You can actually go to the RBI. RBI matlab?
Reserve Bank of India, sir.
Ka ombudsman hai. Ombudsman means a place you can complain. They solve customer issues.
Oh.
Yeah, customer issues. So you go over there. Within 31 days, if the bank doesn't solve the issue,
I'll write.
Then also the email काम आएगा कि यार, look, I was promised this and they charged this. गलत हो गया मेरे साथ. Cool. I saved you some money. Now we got to go and work.
I am just writing it. Okay, yeah, we are working. We have to go to meeting the client. Yes.
Okay, so we'll go.
We have to meet. Yes.
Cool. Get my bag.
1 minute later.
Okay, perfect. So guys, it's very difficult to get some advices out of sir these days, and especially about saving money. So here's what I'll do. I'll be with him all day and secretly I'll just get some more tips to save money so that me and you will be rich. For sure. Let's do it.
Cool.
So we'll have to make a quick stop at the bank.
At the bank? Why?
Sir, I had this different account, another account basically, and I'm not using it anymore. So I have to get it closed, but I think bank ने कुछ penalty लगा दिया है. I'll have to check.
Penalty?
Because I have missed my average monthly balance or something like that.
Oh yeah, that you'll have to pay. Hey, how long have you been using this account?
Many years, but I think from past 2 years I have not been using this.
Oh, so you've not received any money in it also? You've not transacted also?
No.
And they've charged you money for it because?
I have missed some average monthly balance, something like that. I have to do the process, closure process.
That fine is actually normal, but if it's an inoperative account, matlab if you haven't used an account जहाँ पे debit credit नहीं हुआ है for 2 years, it's deemed inoperative. And if you've not used the account, actually the bank cannot charge you a fee for it.
But the bank manager, my relationship manager called me and he told me that I have to pay. See?
No. Not at all. That's not what the rule says. The rule says for an inoperative account, you do not pay the fees. So you can close the account and all that. Make sure there's no debit credit in the last 2 years. It's then deemed inoperative. You don't pay any charges for this, dude. So we'll go to the bank. I can't help you, but you tell him not to charge.
But if he says no, tab, what will I do?
Show him this circular. RBI has made it very clear that their stance on this is very clear. They can't charge you on it.
It's mandatory for them to cut this out, no?
Yeah. If you show it to them, they'll agree. I think someone would have missed. So, saved some money, didn't you? Cool, you've got the presentation ready, right?
All set.
Slide 5, you have to change the stats. It's ready, right?
Yeah, all done. We'll get the client. Don't.
Okay.
I'll put the bag in the car.
Yeah.
ठीक है ना?
Yeah.
2 hours later.
Cool, thank you so much. I look forward to your email.
Yeah.
Thank you.
It was
Thanks.
nice meeting you. Thank you.
Thanks. Cool, we'll get the check.
Yes.
Huh? Check.
You are paying, na?
Of course I'm paying. Cool, thank you.
We'll pack करवा देते हैं
We'll देख ले, I'll pay, but everything's fine, right?
Yeah. Sir, we have 2 extra charges ना. See, service charge and GST. GST तो देना पड़ेगा. Service charge को उठा सकता है.
Service charge, yeah, that's right. You can
है ना?
actually remove service charge. But, no, 1 minute. You changed this Coke 4 times, right? ठंडा नहीं है, ठंडा नहीं है, ठंडा नहीं है. And he helped us with a smile. So I think you can remove it.
But वो
you
actually में
shouldn't.
ठंडा नहीं था.
Also, I'm paying. We should keep it. You can remove it. But this GST, I think you're a little right about that. You know what?
What are you doing? Sir, we have to make the payment.
Yeah, 1 minute. Oh, perfect. I knew it. We don't actually have to pay GST on this.
है ना? कम करवाते हैं. But क्यों?
Because there are 2 types of people who pay GST. One is like the normal GST payer, and the second is under the composite scheme. Composite scheme matlab any restaurant or company having a certain turnover which is a little low than the government has prescribed, they can just pay a flat fee based on the turnover. They won't have to calculate all of this. So it's a little easier for them to file taxes.
So we can check that right now.
Yeah, so actually if you open this website, this is the official GST portal, okay? So over here, click on search taxpayer and search for a composition taxpayer. That's the person we're looking for, the composition taxpayer.
The cafe का नाम.
Yeah, if you're registered under the composite scheme, you have a different way you're paying taxes, so you don't have to charge the customer GST. The GST should not be there.
लूट रहे हैं.
नहीं लूट रहे नहीं हैं, पता नहीं.
मतलब बिना बताए लगा दिया.
So over here, if you search and you can put in the person's GST IN, you can find this on the bill. देखो इन साहब का ये रहा GST IN, ठीक है? We put this in. You click on search, put in the captcha, and you'll get it. In case you don't have this, you can even put the official name. You know, blah 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 private limited. You can put that legal name also.
Sir, इसमें तो बहुत time लगेगा मतलब.
Once you hit search and you found that legal entity here, that means he's registered under the composite scheme.
So we don't have to pay the GST then.
No. But if you don't find it, most large businesses will be paying regular taxes, so they will charge you GST. But a small business is likely to be in this. So these guys should not be charging.
Perfect. Sir, I'll get the payment. Yeah.
Good job. I think
मैंने कहा था.
है ना? I think
Yes.
Good. This is nice. I'm very excited.
We'll have it. We'll have them on board.
Cool. Do we? The second meeting's cancelled, no? So we go straight to office.
Office, yes.
Okay.
We'll have to do a couple of.
Yeah.
Huh?
I was thinking, you know.
Shit, yaar, sir.
What happened?
The RBI has increased the repo rate. अभी
Oh.
पता है क्या होगा?
हाँ.
So the loan that I have now,
Yeah.
उसका interest बढ़ने वाला है. Extra.
Yeah. So what have you opted for? I mean,
Opted for?
like, what's your option? What did you take? Did you increase the loan tenure, the number of months?
There is no option. Interest बढ़ा दिया bank.
No, that's not how it works. So once repo rate goes up, so what will happen is to keep your EMI the same, the bank will actually increase the number of months. So the loan tenure will increase.
Okay.
And once that happens, your EMI will stay the same. But you know, there's a problem in that. Let me show you actually. 1 minute. Let me park the car. This is actually pretty interesting. You know, we keep saying stock market में invest करो, 12% a year आएगा, तो over a year you'll make crores of rupees over 20 years, correct?
Correct.
That's compounding, right? Imagine the same thing, but the bank is doing it to you. So if they increase the loan tenure, then what happens? You'll pay more interest. I have an Excel sheet on this. Let me show you.
Oh.
So imagine this.
You have Excel sheet for everything, huh?
Yes, that's right.
Okay.
But let's suppose that this is an example. I'll take a bigger loan. Let's suppose it's a home loan, 50 lakhs. Okay. Now over here, this is the current EMI. Now what will happen is, let's suppose the home rates increase by this much.
Okay.
You'll see that if the bank adds about 50 months
Extra.
that's about 4 years to the tenure, your EMI remains the same, but the interest goes up by a lot.
Sir, how much am I paying? I mean,
Lakhs
how much
of rupees extra. So it's better that instead of this, if you look at the other sheet, when this happens, just tell your bank, don't increase the tenure, just increase the EMI. Tenure same rakho. And you pay a few thousand rupees more, but you don't pay that much interest. Get it? So,
Don't increase the tenure, but EMI same रखो.
नहीं, don't increase the tenure, EMI increase कर दो. Increase the
Number of EMIs बढ़वा दो.
Not number of EMIs, the amount. So if you pay,
अच्छा उस हाँ amount.
so if you're paying 37,000 before, now you pay 40,000 or whatever. It'll depend on what. But in this example, you'll notice that the EMI went up. The tenure is the same. You don't pay that extra interest. So you save lakhs and lakhs of money. And I don't think anyone follows it. That's why I asked. What did you choose?
Oh, so I have an option. Acha.
Yeah.
Another way to save money, sir. Thank you, sir.
No problem. Cool, we're almost there.
Yes, at the office.
एक काम करना dude, I think you should prepare for the next client meeting. तो तुम slide number 21 को एक बार review करना, okay?
Of this presentation?
Yeah, and we just change it
ठीक है.
for the next one.
Yeah. I have your bag. Acha.
No, it's fine. Okay. It's a long day. Do you have anything left?
No, sir. Back to home.
Actually, how about an ice cream? Okay, you'll have vanilla.
Chocolate.
Oh, chocolate. I'll have vanilla. Is this flavor fine?
Yep.
It'll be in 15 minutes. Cool. So I'll just place this order.
What are you doing?
You want a different flavor?
No. Your next steps?
I'll click this button, OTP will come and we'll be here in 15 minutes.
Sir, don't you think you can save money here?
I am not ordering a vanilla for myself.
Wait.
No, I can't.
I'll come here. No. You see this checkbox?
Okay.
I'll just click this. What happened to the final price? See?
30 rupees come ho gaya. What is
What's
that? Discount coupon tha?
Delivery fees, sir. That's how you can.
No. I have a premium account, so all my delivery is free. It's a premium account.
You have to click on this checkbox to ensure the delivery fees is reduced from the final price.
That's really messed up, man.
है ना? And that's how you can save money.
Dark UX pattern.
हाँ, fancy term.
Very bad.
Order, sir. Order.
Okay, thanks for
30
saving
rupees
30 rupees. बहुत पैसे बच गए मेरे.
Of course. So now you tell me some of the unique ways that you have saved money in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next episode. नहीं. We'll see you in the next episode. Order done.
किससे बात कर रहे हो?
Oh, I'm just नहीं कुछ. Order. अरे order place हो गया क्या?
बड़ा लड़ाकू बंदा होगा नहीं? ए कंपोजिट कर रहा है तू? क्या कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे?
Client
Sorry,
sir मैं-
please मैडम
Client sir मैं-
हमको प्लीज काम दे दीजिए प्लीज. हम बहुत अच्छा सॉफ्टवेयर बनाते हैं. You're paying for that.
Yes. With GST.
अरे सीन से तो बाहर चला जा.
Bye.